So, pupunta kami ngayon sa airport. Maghahatid ng poging-pogi. Yo!
What's up, man?
Kumusta?
Hello channel, welcome to his vlog. Hello channel, welcome to his vlog.
Anong masasabi natin, boy?
Ito na talaga, master. Wala nang no back out anymore, no back out.
So, back out? Mamaya ka na lang umiyak, boy.
Tears of joy, tears of joy.
Gulit.
We have family. Mount Face, ha? Mount Face?
Yes?
Bye-bye! Ito na.
Speaker sa pagpagaga. You're on the vlog, Roger.
Oh shit! And on your right we have OG, Old Garage.
Hello, Yanapan! See you soon! May 7, boy.
Romel is coming.
I think I put it on my schedule already. When you see Romel, may jogging in the corner ng
What time Monday?
Yeah?
Yes. Yeah, we go evening. Boy, tingnan mo. Boy, tingnan mo na yung Suriname mo eh.
Suriname is
Message mo, message. Message mo man.
No, I will cry.
boy?
No, 10 years here in Suriname. Good and bad experience and happy memories.
How many exes?
Uncountable.
One Filipina, one Surinamese in
Numerous.
Yeah.
A lot.
Roger, how many exes?
I just have one.
Careful lah, careful.
I just have one true love.
One. Baka boleh tayo ng pitbull boy.
So, palit sasakyan kami. Bumalik kami at magpapalit ng sasakyan.
Delikado sumabog. Kanya kaning dahil.
Roger.
No.
Oh.
Right.
Yes.
Laki.
Manakmal yan.
May aso eh. Laki ng aso oh. Ang lalaki pala ng aso ni Roger ano? Bo, alam mong saan diretso to, Bo? Yung ano na yan, ring west.
Pa-international.
Pag dinare-diretso mo yan, ewan ko naman. Di siguro, ewan ko.
Kapal nga pa.
Ha? Hindi, may ano yan, may ganun talaga. andito na tayo, boy. Saan?
Hindi ka papasok.
Boy, saan ka pupunta, boy? Taas naman ng ano? Oh, sulit na yan. Boy, baka may naiwan ka dyan, boy. Tingnan mo. Wala. So, busy talaga to, boy. Talagang
Hindi na mapipigilan.
di ka na mapipigilan. Di na mapigilan.
Tigangan ko muna kung ano, paklasin mo na. Iwan dapat.
Alin?
Tining kaya, tining accessory mo lagi.
Yan eh, si Buda, oh, tumatanggap ng Jordan, oh.
You know?
Oh,
Yes, ang
yan pa lang, 2 kilo na yan eh.
Ilagay mo dito, asan? Pag mo ilagay mo dito yung mga gamit para hindi ka
Ha?
Panyan heavy, no?
Remove the pinda.
Walang penda dito, pero
Oh, kasyang kasya, oh. Oh, kailangan pa ba?
Isang kilo na yun. Isang kilo na lang babawasan.
sundali magtimbang
Ha?
ako, baka
Yes.
suot mo na lang to.
Yan, oh. Huwag mo nang huwag mo nang dalhin yan. Ano yan, 2 kilo na yan, oh.
Puti. Semi-yellow. Puti. Semi-yellow. Ilang kilo nga to?
Ano? Timbangin mo lang, ano doon. Dapat ano lang, 23 para wala ka ng ano. Baka inaantok yung babantay doon. So ano na yung ano, balak natin yan sa Jordan. Pag-usapan nyo na lang yan.
Wala nang magagawa.
Marami niyan sa doon, sa pupuntahan mo. Jordan din yan.
Yellow.
Minsan,
Ang gagawin mo sa pagbo.
minsan maganda rin pala pag ano, no? Pag sobra sa bagay. Hmm? So ano, boy? Talagang ito na yung boy? Mag ano ka na lang po ya, mag group video call na lang tayo po ya. Kaya wag kang mag ano. Tawag doon, maglilid sa group. Mga pang-MOA yung ganyan forma. Mga pang-MOA. Hindi pa naman yata nagpapapasok yun, no? Ha? 10 minutes pa?
10 minutes pa.
Almost 10 years, saka ka makakasakay uli ng aeroplano, no boy? Yes, almost 10 years.
And I was beginning from fire department.
Yeah. It was already 10 years?
9 years.
Oh.
I'm 9 years in.
Wow. It's like yesterday, ah.
Like yesterday I was bald. You know, bald guy.
And skinny. A bit skinny.
Very skinny.
Your neck is a bit long. Every time we go somewhere to drink after work, nice to. But yes.
Also, who was with me when we saw, I think it's your, when you saw my ex with or with
Yeah, I think not me, but we went to.
Yeah, he wanted to see the other side, right? But
We went to. I think that's.
no.
We went to Zanzibar.
Yes, then we went around the corner.
Yeah,
Me and I think your,
it was a group.
and I told him,
Maybe it's not worth it.
I found it comfortable. That's why I got there.
Yes.
Because I know this is the one.
Exactly.
If you wanted the one, I would get my
Thank you so much.
Goodbye to you, my friends. I don't know the lyrics. We meet again. I will see you again.
song, a children's song. Goodbye, so long to you, my friend. For now, till we meet again.
Iya ka na mo.
Salamat po. Ngunit patay ako. Salamat.
Good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck.
Thank you bro.
Sige na. Hinihintay ka na, boy, oh.
Huwag mong kakalimutan pag tumakla ka yung Rexona ha.
Sorry. Oh, tara na. Wala naman sigurong problema na yan. Okay na.
Binuksan na yun ano? Tubigan. Ayaw mo na. Sige, bilis. Maybe that the Caribbean
Saan? Hindi, Suriname Air siya.
Suriname rin, maliit yung salita.
Ha? Let's go.
I'm gonna make a picture too and put it on my stand.
Let's go. Uwi na kami. Bye-bye.